illusion. We are jaded to this phenomenon that things at far distance tend to appear more soft. We're oblivious to this, or we are aware but oblivious. So on a two-dimensional canvas, things that are far apart are soft and smaller and soft. And as things begin to follow this upside down V and then extend towards you, it becomes bigger and brighter. Sometimes it may be soft, but there are exceptions to the rule. The reason why a close object may appear soft is because you have to take certain aspect of light and its reflection of the object during that time. So three-dimensional illustration on a two-dimensional surface has a lot to do with following this vanishing point with the upside-down perpendicular angles. And all objects that extend towards you from that point to where the two preceding line diminishes, all objects coming to you becomes bigger and brighter. Well, not brighter, not as soft. But they come into you, they're extending towards you, not at a horizontal or vertical angle. They have to extend towards you at a perpendicular or a diagonal angle. So this perpendicular and diagonal angle is a substitute for the up-down. What perpendicular and diagonal angle does on the vanishing point is